I built a fully working SaaS app in under 60 minutes using Claude, and it's already making money. Let me show you exactly how. Most people spend months building their first SaaS, hiring developers, learning to code, burning through savings. That era is over. Here's the exact process I used. Step 1. Find a painful problem. I went to Reddit, Twitter, and indie hacker forums. I looked for people complaining about the same thing over and over. In my case, small business owners struggling to write professional invoices. That's the idea. Simple, boring, profitable. Step 2. Describe it to Claude. I opened Claude and typed one detailed prompt. Build me a full-stack invoice generator SaaS with user authentication, Stripe payments, a dashboard, and PDF export. I described the features, the pricing tiers, and the tech stack I wanted. Claude generated the entire code base. Front-end, back-end, database schema, API routes, all of it. Step 3. Set up the infrastructure. I took Claude's code and deployed it. Vercel for the front end, a simple database on Supabase, Stripe for payments. Claude even wrote the environment config files and deployment instructions. Total setup time, about 15 minutes. Step 4. Iterate fast. The first version wasn't perfect. The styling was off. One API route had a bug. So I pasted the errors back into Claude and said, fix this. Within minutes, everything worked. I went back and forth maybe 4 or 5 times. Each round made it better. Step 5. Launch immediately. I posted it on Product Hunt, shared it in 3 Facebook groups, and DM'd 10 small business owners I found on Twitter. Within 24 hours, I had my first 3 paying users at $9 a month. Here's what most people get wrong. They think the code has to be perfect before they launch. It doesn't. You need 3 things. It works, it solves a real problem, and someone can pay you for it. That's it. The entire tech stack, the payment integration, the user auth. Claude handled probably 90% of it. My job was picking the right problem and putting it in front of the right people. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need a co-founder. You need a clear problem, Claude, and 60 minutes of focused effort. If you want to see me build the next one live, follow this channel right now. Drop a comment with what SaaS you'd build, and smash that like button so more people see this. I'm posting the full breakdown on the channel this week.